Something big is coming, and it will be available to you very soon. Today, we're demonstrating Diagcode on an Aprilia RS660 Euro 5 dashboard. Introducing Diagcode RaceDashboard functions for Cobo dashboards used in Aprilia and Moto Guzzi. IMMO OFF and Headlamp Disable, directly via OBD on bike or on bench. No cutting, no drilling, just plug and play. Here you can see the CAN HLUDISC warning. It indicates that the headlamp control unit is disconnected, and the message stays permanently on the display, hiding important riding information. First, let's identify the dashboard. We press Read. The dashboard reports fault code B0111. CAN message of headlamp control unit lost because no headlamp control unit is installed. Now we open RaceDashboard functions. Every function can be applied or reverted simply by ticking the checkbox and running it again, giving you full control. We'll use the Headlamp Disable function. Start the procedure. Now let the software do the work. After powering on, the CAN HLU disc warning is still displayed. Now the process continues. Procedure completed successfully. The dashboard reboots. After reboot, the CAN HLU disc warning is gone. Let's check the fault codes again. B0111 has disappeared automatically. Combined with IMMO OFF and the Diagcode File Service for custom ECU mappings, you can run your race bike without unreliable emulator devices for the immobilizer, sidestand, headlight, or taillight. Simple, fast, reliable. 5-inch dashboard support is coming soon.